consulted thoroughly throughout the country and beyond, applied their expertise and technical capacity, and fully met their terms of reference. The evidence-based analysis of every material issue taken up in the report provides ample basis for further action which must commence without delay. We now stand at the threshold of tremendous possibility for our nation. Before us is a strong case to transform our society and catalyze our economy by making necessary interventions in education to make it accessible, equitable, inclusive, and aligned with our aspirations to become a more open, democratic, prosperous nation of free and enlightened citizens. It is time to make education accessible all the way to the highest level, to anyone regardless of background, more fulfilling for both learners and tutors, more accommodating of their psychological needs, less examination-oriented, and more aligned with the aptitudes and aspirations of learners and capable of imparting essential values, including national values and principles of good governance. The moment has come for us to usher in a new era where our education system appreciates that competitiveness and productivity depend on such values as innovation, which is nurtured by encouraging curiosity and imagination, and by allowing learners to explore their gifts and talents. The transformation of our national education system is now underway. These recommendations contained in the report of the Working Party shall be implemented not in the future, but beginning now. We must now direct our attention to the implementation of the recommendations set out in the report. The relevant ministries, departments, agencies must quickly familiarize themselves with the report and expeditiously work with all parties, including the Office of the Attorney General, including the Committee of Parliament, both in the National Assembly and Senate, to see to it that every piece of legislation, regulation required is in place to make sure that we don't lose time and we get full value for this tremendous report that has been worked on by these great people with a lot of expertise, a lot of passion, and a lot of commitment. There is a lot to be done in terms of policy, legislation, organizational, strategic, and administrative measures to actualize the recommendation. And I am clear that the ministry, with all the staff and all the other stakeholders, will be able to work on this. The Cabinet Secretary concerned, together with the Attorney General, must collaborate on the framework to make sure that the implementation of the CBC is rolled out as has been agreed. Quality assurance and standards is kept and managed, and a proper framework established to actualize that. Teacher education and management, we've agreed with Nancy here. We've provided resources for promotion of teachers, making sure that we continuously motivate our teachers to be able to do their best. This year we have provided R1 billion for the promotion of teachers to make sure that we continuously move together and provide the best that we can. There are some laws that that have been recommended, and I am happy that the two chairs are here. We're going to work with you to make sure that the necessary legislation is worked on, complete with bringing public participation on board to make sure that we all speak the same language with the public. We are also going to work together, as you are all aware, to make sure that technology, we leverage also on technology in the delivery of our education curriculum. I am very happy that technology is part and parcel now of our delivery of government services, and